Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Income Projection Formula for $10,000 monthly income. To begin, the goal is to understand how much investment may be required to generate $10,000 every month from dividend income. The first step is to convert the monthly income target into an annual income goal. Since there are 12 months in a year, $10,000 per month multiplied by 12 equals $120,000 per year. Next, we apply the simple dividend income projection formula. The required investment is equal to the annual income goal divided by the expected dividend yield. In this example, the annual dividend income goal is $120,000, and the dividend yield assumption is 4%. Because 4% is written as 0.04 in decimal form, we divide $120,000 by 0.04. As a result, the required portfolio value becomes $3 million. This means that, at a 4% dividend yield, an investor would need approximately $3 million invested in dividend-paying assets to generate $10,000 per month in dividend income. However, the required investment amount can change depending on the dividend yield. For example, if the portfolio produces a conservative 3% dividend yield, the required investment would be around $4 million. On the other hand, if the portfolio produces a 5% dividend yield, the required investment would be around $2,400,000. Therefore, a higher yield can reduce the required investment amount, but it usually comes with higher risk. Because of this, investors should avoid chasing high dividend yields without checking the quality of the company or fund. A very high yield may look attractive, but it can sometimes be a sign of financial stress, unstable earnings, or a dividend that may not be sustainable. So, it is better to focus on strong companies with reliable cash flow, consistent dividend history, and sustainable payout levels. After calculating the required investment, the next step is to build the portfolio. This can include quality dividend stocks or dividend-focused ETFs that match the investor's risk level and long-term goals. The objective is not only to reach the target income amount, but also to build a portfolio that can continue producing income over time. Then, reinvesting dividends can make a major difference. When dividends are reinvested, they can buy more shares, and those extra shares can create more dividend income in the future. This is how compounding helps the portfolio grow. In addition, adding regular contributions can increase the speed of progress toward the income target. For example, the infographic shows a projection based on a starting investment of $3 million, a 4% dividend yield, reinvested dividends, and an average portfolio growth assumption of around 6% per year. At the starting point, the estimated monthly income is $10,000. After 5 years, it may grow to about $12,160 per month. After 10 years, it may reach about $14,790 per month. After 15 years, it may increase to around $17,980 per month, and after 20 years, it may grow to about $21,860 per month. Moreover, this projection shows why long-term investing and discipline are important. Even when the starting dividend income target has already been reached, reinvesting, contributing, and allowing the portfolio to grow can increase future income significantly. At the same time, it is important to monitor and adjust the portfolio regularly. Dividend yields can change, companies can raise or cut dividends, and market prices can move up or down. Because of that, investors should review their holdings, check risk levels, and make sure the income plan still matches their financial goals. In addition, diversification is very important. Depending on only one stock, one company, or one sector can increase risk. Instead, spreading investments across different sectors and reliable dividend payers can help create a more balanced and stable dividend income strategy. Also, remember that all calculations in this example are projections. The assumptions include stable dividend yield, reinvested dividends, average portfolio growth, and consistent contributions. In real life, actual results can be different because of market performance, inflation, company earnings, interest rates, taxes, and investor decisions. So, the simple summary is this: to earn $10,000 per month in dividend income, the annual income goal is $120,000. If the expected dividend yield is 4%, the required portfolio value is approximately $3 million. The main formula is annual income goal divided by dividend yield. From there, investors can grow income faster by reinvesting dividends, adding regular contributions, choosing quality dividend payers, diversifying properly, and staying disciplined over the long term. Finally, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research or speak with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.